we've connected Claude. Now let's have a little bit more fun. So I wrote in here, create an Instagram post announcing my new Canva course. Make it fun, colorful with teal accents. Include text that says Canva Confidence Lab starts soon. It's already started, but I'm just having fun. Let's see what it does. You ready? I'm excited. It's thinking. It's generating the options for me right now. In just a few seconds, I'll get some designs, options to choose from, and then we will go from there. Let's see. Okay, here we go. All right. I don't mind these. You know, some of them are a little strange and they have different names, but it is something that they have did for, and I just want to change something on, let's see here. This is one, two, okay. So it says here are the options. Okay. Not sure why the image isn't point up, but um, let's go. Let's say design for, can you change the background to peach and the, let's see here, what else was there? And the date to February 3rd. Let's see if it will do that. I might be pushing it. Kind of looks like it's doing it for us, guys. I'll start editing. No, it's basically just telling me go do it yourself. I bet that's what it did, didn't it? Yeah, it sure did. But you're supposed to be able to edit in here. Let me see if I can ask maybe a simple one or simple. Let's see here. Can design two. Can we, let's see here. Let me see here. Design two. Can we change the font to black? Let's see if that seems to be a simple one, but let's see. And if it doesn't do it this time, then you guys just take it into Canva. Yep. Yep. It's just saying, hey, you can do it. But hey, that's all right. Knowing that, all right. And then when I want to, like if I want this one, I'm just going to open it in Canva. And I'm going to change the background. Let's see if I do. Oh, that's kind of cute. But if I wanted to change the background, I'm just going to click three. Let's see here. There we go. I'm just going to delete that part. I'm going to make it peachy like that. This make turquoise or green. turquoise, and all right. And I feel like, oh, this, I would love to do the background remover so it just looked like the white isn't. There we go. I kind of like it like that. And then, let's see here. I'll make this a little bigger. But see, it gives me a foundation. And that is what I don't mind. I'm not starting anything brand new in Canva. It is, Claude gave me something I can work with, and I love that. And then I bring it into Canva and just do what I need to do with it, which is all that. Oh, shoot, shoot, I don't want that. Uh, we are going to go, no. It's probably because I did it and it was together. There we go. There we go. I have a cool little um Instagram image if I want to use this. And Claude did it for me. I just had to put my little spin on it. All right. Next, let's do a presentation.